What's up, guys? We are back in another video. So today we have a huge dungeon grind. We will be carrying people. So let's just hop right into it and yeah, let's go. Okay, so first of all, for some reason Bazaar is disabled. I don't know why, but it's disabled. Okay. Actually, and we will do some floor 3. Just some normal floor 3. We don't care about anything, so yeah, let's just, oh frick. Let's go to this one. I am a berserker, and yeah. We'll just do like 2 dungeon runs, and that will be it for today. Okay, let's ready up. I don't know why I have this scavenged. Okay, let's see. Okay, this will be kind of easy though, because I take it back. I take it back. Why am I? Oh, I get it. I didn't. Why didn't I use my ability? Oh no. Sorry. But what? Nah. This is rigged. This guy is a mage with a spirit scepter. Why? I don't know. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I am the only one dead. Wow. Okay. Oh, they discovered a new. This guy is a sweat. Huh? Okay, I don't know what is happening, but this guy is killed. I take it back. I just want to be revived. Okay, so nothing good so far, but oh wait, he is going to the door. Just TP to him. Yeah, this is where he had. He's like, no, I'm not gonna do it. Why are they always never doing the secret trap rooms and all these things? Yes, I'm being revived. Let's go. Okay, no, you guys are doing it wrong. Yep. Never mind. Okay, let's just go away. Yes. I one-shot you. I take it back. But I am drippy. Okay, first one. Let's just do whatever we want. Because I don't know what... I know how to clear. But this is... As you see right now, I have no idea what I'm doing. Wait, not my dungeon. Oh, we probably have to go over here. Yeah, we definitely have to go over here. But we gotta go right. Okay. Why would you not do this? Okay. There we go. Easy. Now we go back. We are going to need a fairy, like a revive stone. Oh, blood room. What? Oh, it's up. We do not have the key. Oh, there we go. Bonzo, dead. Okay. Yeah. I do 8k damage, 8,000 damage. I do 8,000 damage. I'm OP. Okay. I guess we just go like here. Yeah. Like right. Why are they all going? There we go. Okay, the other guy. Oh my god, we are definitely getting S plus. Oh, we can't even get S plus. We're getting a B. We might do some void glooms. Okay, let's just go over here. I'll go and do healthy. Go away. Go. Go. Bruh. Go over there. Yeah. Go. Easy. We gotta make him aggro us. Okay. Okay, that was it. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, I can fly. Let's just ultimate. Just for fun. 500. Oof. Last stand is good. Okay, we got S. Oh, rejuvenate 2. And Necromancer's Brew. That is so worth it, but I gotta see the other chest. Ultimate Wise. That is